Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying system readiness. Check Mac OS version and free disk space because the installer needs about 1-2 GB to unpack. Once done, quit Roblox and any browsers that might lock game files. Make sure you grant the Roblox app or the App Store permission in System Settings so the updater can write to applications. Now open the App Store or Roblox launcher. This starts the update handoff. You're initiating the process to replace old binaries with the newest stable build. You choose the App Store or the Roblox launcher to download the update. The launcher often auto-detects a new build and prompts you. During download, watch for paused transfers and resume them. Unstable Wi-Fi can stall the file. When installer prompts appear, provide your admin password or use Touch ID so the updater can replace application files. Keep your Mac awake and plugged in, interrupting the install risks corrupted files. Once the progress bar hits completion, the updater prepares to finalize components. You finish by relaunching Roblox, and if prompted, restarting macOS so kernel extensions and helper services reload. If Roblox fails to start, clear the app cache in /library and reinstall the app from the App Store or site. This fixes most corrupted installs. If problems persist, open console and filter for Roblox to identify permission or network errors. Make sure system settings allow disk access. One quick tip: rebooting into safe mode and then normal boot can resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.